Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. How do I check my Rocket balance? Before we dive into that, let's take a moment to talk about Rocket. Rocket is a mobile banking app that makes it easy to manage your money. It's great for people who want a simple and convenient way to bank. Now, let's get back to the question of how to check your Rocket balance. There are a few different ways to do this. Method 1. The Rocket app. The easiest way to check your Rocket balance is to use the Rocket app. Just open the app and tap on the Balance tab. Your balance will be displayed at the top of the screen. Method 2. The Rocket website. You can also check your Rocket balance on the Rocket website. Just log into your account and click on the Balance tab. Your balance will be displayed on the screen. Method 3. The Rocket phone number. You can also check your Rocket balance by calling the Rocket phone number. Just dial 1-888 Rocket for you and follow the prompts. Method 4. The Rocket text message service. You can also check your Rocket balance by sending a text message to the Rocket text message service. Just text the word balance to 469762. Your balance will be sent back to you as a text message. Method 5. The Rocket ATM. You can also check your Rocket balance at a Rocket ATM. Just insert your Rocket card and enter your PIN. Your balance will be displayed on the screen. No matter which method you choose, checking your Rocket balance is easy and convenient. Additional tips. You can also set up text alerts to be notified when your balance falls below a certain amount. You can also link your Rocket account to other apps, such as Mint or an app, to track your spending and budgeting. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching.